Hello and welcome to day 4 of the 4 days of Christmas. Today we have this page with lots of little bits on Julie's page, and then we have cardinals on my page. All right, so let me show you what I've done. Set these aside. I've already printed out my page on some cardstock, and I want to have some tags in my December daily, so I just quickly added some ribbon. I think this is Dollar Tree ribbon, and stapled it with my tiny attacher, inked around the edges, and that's all I've done to those. For the pocket, same ribbon, just added that little cardinal and then a button, super simple, and inked around the edges. And then this one I just layered up, and I used my eyelet, my crocodile, because what I'm wanting to do is take the itty bitty snowmen. Let me see if I can show you. That Julie has on her page. She called them charms. So I wanted to take those and actually make them into charms. So what I've done so far is I've cut them out. I inked around the edges. This guy I think might be too small, but I've cut them out, and then I had to be careful. Oh, that one's dripping. Oh dears. Maybe I've added too much. Let me see if I can move that over. There we go. Okay. Yikes. All right, so what I've done is I've added some of this stuff. It's like glossy accents. It's the Nouveau Crystal Glaze, and apparently I added a little too much on my poinsettia on this one, and I added it on the little charms. Ooh. And I wanted to kind of get those going because it takes forever to dry. So let's do this one, and maybe I'll try and not add as thick of a layer because it might be until Christmas before it dries. I've done this kind of thing before, but I figured it would be really cute since Julie was calling the itty bitty snowmen charms to go ahead and make them. I'm trying to not squish as much glue or this glaze out, and just kind of spread it around. All right, so there is that one. And then I'm just going to set it aside to let it dry. When it's dry, I'm going to add my smaller eyelets and make them into charms. All right, so I'm going to set these aside, hopefully not touch them, and I'll be back. Okay, so my little charms have dried. Can you see that? Is it blurry? This one I put a little too close and it smushed, and then it also got a little stuck on the paper. This one just kind of fell apart. That one's not gonna work. And then I had to use these blue eyelets because my other ones are too big. So blue doesn't really work. And the other thing, if you can see, like, it's going into Santa's head. I should have cut these a little bit bigger so there's more white space. However, I was really tight on that page, but a little more white space that would have been able to not chop into Santa's head. But see right here, like if I would have maybe gone a little bit bigger, but see how there's really a kind of a tight spot. So I don't know. Okay, so I at least want to put one together because I want to attach it to my card. And you've seen me do this before. No! I thought my nail polish was dry. Oh well, I can fix. This is kind of a large jump ring, but let's see, maybe it's too big. So I'm going to take one of my Santas, and I'm just going to do this, like that. And then you have a little dangly off the card. Again, I wish it wasn't blue, but it is what what it is. All right, I think I want to add a little piece of lace, just for fun. And a little piece of this glitter ribbon. And then that can go actually behind the Santa to make the dangle a little bit more substantial. Maybe I need to poke a hole. There we go. I don't know if that takes away from the little charm. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think that's cute. And then this could even maybe like be a pocket. Here, maybe in my journal so far. But this could even be a pocket on this side, right? And then this could kind of dangle out, and then you could put a tag like that. That'd be cute. I like that. Cute. All right, so then the other ones, I'm just gonna add some jump rings so they'll be ready to go. But basically, that is my, what is it, day 4 for the 5 days of Christmas, my little charms. All right, we have one more day. That's crazy. So come back next Tuesday for the last day, and then I'm gonna do a thing where I use my scraps and kind of put it all together in the journal. So I'm going to do like a follow-up thing after. But yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, crafty day. Come on back on, what is it, Thursday. I'm going to be working in my gnome journal. All right, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.